Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 10 measurement, fourth part of this. You know the measurement table. First we kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Then next kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Next kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Then the standard unit of, this is the basic unit. Then distance, this is distance, this is weight, this is capacity. This is capacity, this is weight or mass, this is length. The base unit of length is meter. This is the base unit. The base unit of weight is gram. The base unit of capacity is liter. Then how many step jump in one unit to another unit? This is the, then suppose the liter, we convert liter into deciliter. Liter into deciliter, how many? One step we jump. Bigger to smaller, we multiply. Smaller to bigger, we divide. Any unit, according to your question, the unit is given in question, then suppose you liter into deciliter. How many unit you jump up? One unit. In bigger to smaller, multiply, then smaller to bigger, divide. Now here kilometer to hectometer, how many step? One step. Kilometer to decameter, how many step? Two step. Then kilometer to meter, how many step? Three step. Then here 10, then multiply by 10, here also multiply by 10, here also multiply by 10. Then 10, 100, 1000. Understand you? 10, 100, 1000. We multiply by 1000. Now here gram, mg into gram. Here suppose mg one step, two step, three step. Here we smaller to bigger. Here divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. The mg into gram. We divide by 10. Now our 10, 100, 1000. We divide by 1000. Understand you? Now liter to milliliter. Liter to milliliter. Here we go. How many steps we jump up? One step, two step, three step. That is 10, 100, 1000. Bigger to smaller, we multiply by 1000. How to convert a unit into another unit? Listen. 3 kilometer, 500 meter into meter. Now 3 kilometer into meter, then meter into also meter. Here kilometer, then here meter. Then how many steps we go in? Bigger to smaller. Then how many steps we jump? 1, 2, 3. How many steps? 3 step, that is 10, 100, 1000. We multiply by 1000. Therefore, you write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. How many meter in 1 kilometer? 1000 meter. Then 3 kilometer 500 meter is equal to 3 into 1000 plus 500 is equal to 3000 plus 500 is equal to 3500 meter. Understand you? Then another example, these are we discussed in previous class. Another example, 4570 mg into gram and mg. Question what? 4570 mg into gram and mg. Then mg here, this is our mg. We 1, 2, 3, 3 step in smaller to bigger, we divide. Then first we write 1 mg is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. 1 mg is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. Now 4570 mg is equal to 4570 mg is equal to 4570 upon 1000. In previous chapter we already learned the divide by 10, 100, 1000. How many digit we remove? 3 digit. In decimal chapter we also study 1000. How many? Then 1, 2, 3. 3 digit we remove. What is our answer? This 3 digit we remove. This. Then 4 gram 570 mg. We remove this is our mg. The left the 4 is our gram. Then next, how to addition and subtraction of this unit. kg 250 gram, then plus 7 kg 750 gram. Here kg and gram. First you make a 2 column kg gram. Now you write 3 250, here 7 750. Then add this number. Now you add this. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 0. Carry over 1. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over here 11. Our answer is 11 kg. Our answer is 11 kg. Now, how to subtract? Subtract 8 kiloliter 750 liter from 11 kiloliter 340 liter. Listen, subtract 8 kiloliter 750 liter from 11 kiloliter 340 liter. Which word come here? From. From come in this question. Subtract 8 kiloliter 750 liter from 11 kiloliter 340 liter. This from come this in question. This means the second number write in first. What is the meaning of from here? The second number write in first, that is kiloliter and liter we write 2 columns. The second number is 11,340. Then you write the first number 8 and 750. Now you subtract this. Now 0 take away from 0, 0, 5 take away from 4. This is possible? No. You take the borrowing, you take borrow, this cut 2, this cut 14. Now 5 take away from 14, you get 9. Next 7 take away from 2, this is possible? No. You take borrow this. This cut 0, then here 12. Now you 7 take away from 12, you get 5. Then 8 take away from 0, this is possible? No. This cut 10. Now your answer is 2. Answer is 2 kiloliter 340 liter. Understand how to subtract this number? Then now solving problems. Seema bought 3 kg 450 gram mangoes, 5 kg 200 gram apples and 2 kg 125 gram bananas. What is the total weight of fruits? First you read the question. Seema bought 3 kg 450 gram of mangoes, 5 kg 200 gram apples and 2 kg 125 gram bananas. What is the total weight of fruits? What is the total weight of fruits? Now weight, what ask here? Weight ask. Then first we write the solution. Weight of mangoes. First you weight of mangoes. Weight of mangoes. Is equal to 3 kg 450 gram. Second line, weight of apples. Weight of apples. Is equal to 5 kg 200 gram. Then third line, weight of bananas. is equal to 2 kg 125 gram. Now total weight of fruits. Total weight of fruits. Total weight of fruits is equal to, you add this. There is no space here, then we write 2 column you make, kg and gram, 3 450, then 5 200, then 2 125, then add this number 5 7 7 10. Our answer is 10 kg 775 gram. Final answer. Answer. What is our writing answer? Hence. What is the spelling of hence? H-E-N-C-E. Hence. Hence. 10 kg 775 gram of fruits Seema what? This is the solving problems. One more question. Yes. Mohit bought 3 liter 500 ml of milk. He used 2 liter 750 ml of milk. How much milk is left? Listen. Mohit bought 3 liter 500 ml of milk. He used 2 liter 750 ml of milk. How much milk is left? How much milk is left? Now first you understand the question. Mohit bought 3 liter 500 ml of milliliter of milk. Then he used 2 liter 750 ml of milk. How much milk is left? Left come in question. Therefore, this question is subtract. This question is subtract. First, quantity of milk or Mohit bought milk. Mohit bought milk. Mohit bought milk. Is equal to 3 liter 500 ml. Then quantity of milk he used. Quantity of milk he used. 2 liter 750 ml. Now, quantity of milk left is equal to, you subtract this number, you make it 2 columns, liter and ml, 3, 500, here 2, then 750, then subtract this number, 0, 5, here cut, we take 5 take away from 0, this is possible? No, this cut 4, then 7 take away from 4, this is possible? No, you take here, then 14, 7, here 0. What is our answer? 750 ml. Now, answer, hence, 750 ml milk is left. This is our subtraction word problem. You understand this? Then you do this homework. Do question 2 A to H, question of exercise 10.4. Thank you.